Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the multiple Mozilla Firefox browser profile. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you are the user of the Firefox, you can actually create, let's say, the account over here. However, if you would like to try another way to create the Mozilla Firefox profile, so here in this video I will show you how. So you can start to give it the right click of this window and click run, or you can simply give it the combination of the window in the keyboard and R, like this, window plus R, like this. And after that you can start to click this code firefox.exe, and after that give it a space and stripe and P capital, and you can continue to click OK. And this is the section to create the user profile of this Firefox, guys. So you'll see that there are the 4 profile. How to create that one? It is very simple. So you can simply click this create profile and continue to click next, and after that I will start to type, for example, user1, like this, and you can continue to click finish. And after that you can start to open this profile and click the start Firefox, like this, and you can continue, and this will be ready. And how to make the or multiple this Firefox? So you can start to give it the right click of this button or this icon and continue to click this open file location. And after that you can start to select this Firefox and give it the right click, click show more option, and you can send it to the desktop, like this. And after that this Firefox shortcut will be exist into this desktop or this opening, guys. And after that you can create do the editing in the properties. You can give it the right click, click properties, and after that you can go to this target, and after that we will edit this section, give it the space, stripe, P capital, and after that give it the quotation mark. And for example, you can start to put the profile, or which means this is the shortcut to open the specific profile. For example, I will make it for the user one, and if you forgot, don't worry, you can always visit this run section, Windows R, and click OK. And for example, I will continue to typing like this, user 1, and give it the closing quotation mark and click apply and OK. And after that this Firefox will be ready to open or browsing something for the profile of the user one, like this. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try to multiply your Firefox profile account, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.